Lesnar can't believe. And a German suplex.
Right now, Paul Heyman would love to see the arrival of his suplex tribal chief with German suplex after
He has absolutely nothing left. Brock Lesnar with yet another German. Count of 5. Count of 7 now. Reigns trying to again.
It's a testament to the toughness of the head of the
Lesnar continues this brutal beatdown with an F5. You feel like it's inevitable, Corey. Corner, hoping to celebrate a championship. This reign of Roman Reigns could be over at a count of 8. Makes it back to his feet.
I don't even know if that count himself up against the ring ropes.
Corey.
He's going to do it.
The brutality continues. Who's taken out so many superstars during this reign.
Lesnar's forehead was turning purple for a second.
It was.
It is deep. It is tight. Reigns struggling to get
championship. The official's there, and I believe.
Come on now, boy. Hey, he's down there. Come on, I'll count him.
Reigns is out. You can count to 20.
Now the official. Lesnar going to make it back to his feet.